This chart shows a 72% drop in value. At its peak in early 2025, Solana was trading at $293, but today it's sitting at $82. When a price falls that far, it raises a big question. Is this a project that has fundamentally failed, or are we looking at a rare opportunity to buy in at a massive discount? To understand why people are still excited about it, we have to look at what Solana actually does. It is a Layer 1 blockchain. Think of it as the foundation of a city. It provides the actual ground and the highway system that every other business or building sits on top of to function. In this digital economy, the primary value comes from owning that foundational infrastructure. If you own the roads, you own the path for everything else that moves. The reason this specific infrastructure matters is speed. While older networks like Ethereum can feel like a congested bumper-to-bumper commute, Solana was built to handle data like a multi-lane high-speed rail. A software engineer named Anatoly Yakovenko designed the system and launched it back in 2020 to be faster than anything else on the market. Because the network moves so quickly, people use it for digital banking, sending global payments, and trading online collectibles, all without the long wait times you find on other networks. This speed attracts a massive crowd. Currently, over 20,000 developers are creating new tools and apps on this network every single month. When thousands of people build apps at this scale, high speed becomes a requirement. It is the only way to keep the system from grinding to a halt as a global economy tries to move through it. To use these digital highways, you have to pay a small fee. Those tolls are paid using the network's own coin, called SOL. Right now, 578 million SOL coins are in circulation, valued at $47.8 billion. The network constantly creates limitless new coins to reward those securing the system. These coins can't be destroyed, but programmed rules ensure their creation rate automatically slows down over time. Because the supply is always growing, the network needs to keep attracting new users. It has to grow its adoption fast enough to outweigh the steady stream of new coins entering the market. That brings us to where the price stands today, roughly $82, which is a significant drop from that peak of $293. Despite that fall, the mood in the market has started to shift. Instead of a sharp decline, we are seeing a period of slow, steady recovery. These bars on the chart show the battle between buyers and sellers. Notice this horizontal line at $84. In recent weeks, every time the price reached that line, a wave of sellers stepped in to push it back down. If the price can finally break above that $84 ceiling, it signals that the buyers have finally overwhelmed the sellers. Crossing that line is the moment investors believe the bulls take back control of the market. By watching that specific number, we can move past the guesswork. It gives us a clear, technical marker to determine if the recovery is real. There are two big reasons to be optimistic. First, giant financial institutions are buying in. Specialized investment funds, which allow regular stock market investors to buy Solana, just crossed $1 billion in total assets. Second, for companies that need to process thousands of transactions a second, Solana remains the fastest major network ready for real-world use. However, it isn't perfect. The network has a history of sudden technical outages where the system freezes and stops working for hours. There is also that constant supply of new coins we discussed. That creates a slow, steady pressure that can make it harder for the price to move up. Deciding to invest means weighing the massive interest from Wall Street against these mechanical growing pains in the network itself. Our final verdict is that Solana is a strong choice for anyone who believes that, in the long run, the fastest technology will win the race. The network is very much alive and growing. It just happens to be trading at a much lower price than it used to. If you want to get started, you can buy SOL on major digital marketplaces like Binance or Coinbase. To explore the specific apps built on top of the network, you can use a tool like Jupiter. Just remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before putting your money into any investment. If this helped you understand the world of crypto a little better, subscribe for more breakdowns. We release a new one every week.